Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to start a cleaning business in California. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of running your own full-time business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and plan your business. Before you jump in, it's important to do your homework. Ask yourself, what type of cleaning business do you want to start? Will you focus on residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, or both? Who's your target market? Take some time to research your local area in California. Look at your competition, pricing, and what services are in demand. A solid business plan will help you stay organized and focused as you grow. Step 2. Choose a business structure and register your business. In California, you'll need to decide on a business structure, like a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. An LLC is a popular choice because it offers liability protection. Next, register your business name with the California Secretary of State. Make sure your name is unique and reflects your brand. Don't forget to check if you need any local permits or licenses, as requirements can vary by city or county. Step 3. Set up your finances. Starting a cleaning business doesn't have to break the bank, but you'll need some basic supplies like cleaning products, equipment, and possibly a vehicle. Create a budget to estimate your startup costs. Open a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business finances apart. And don't forget to track your expenses. This will make tax time much easier. Step 4. Get the right supplies and equipment. Invest in high-quality cleaning products and tools. You'll need basics like microfiber cloths, mops, vacuums, and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. If you're offering specialized services like carpet cleaning or window washing, make sure you have the right equipment for the job. Pro tip: buy in bulk to save money in the long run. Step 5. Get insured. Insurance is a must for any cleaning business. In California, general liability insurance can protect you from accidents or damages that might happen while you're working. You may also want to consider bonding, which builds trust with your clients. Shop around for quotes and choose a policy that fits your needs. Step 6. Market your business. Now that you're ready to go, it's time to attract clients. Start by creating a simple website or social media pages to showcase your services. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google My Business to reach local customers. Word of mouth is powerful, so ask friends and family to spread the word. You can also offer discounts or promotions to your first few clients to build reviews and credibility. Step 7. Deliver outstanding service. Your reputation is everything in the cleaning business. Always show up on time, be professional, and go above and beyond for your clients. Happy customers will leave great reviews and refer you to others, which is the best kind of marketing. And that's it! Starting a cleaning business in California is totally doable if you follow these steps. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but you can build a thriving business with hard work and dedication. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips like these. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!